Hi Alex, what are you doing at travel agency? Are you planning a trip?
Oh, hi, bruh. My son is graduating college, and you and I thought a trip would be a good graduation gift.
That's a great graduation gift. He's a lucky boy.
He's a good son, so Bob, and I wanted to give him something special.
Where are you sending him?
China. He studied the Chinese language in college and really enjoyed learning about the culture.
Does he know anyone there?
My brother moved there last year for work. He's going to show him around.
That's nice. It will be more fun if he knows something there.
Yeah, and it will be safer too.